Okay, let's get on to it. Today, I want to find out which way is the lowest ppm in the water supply. So, I have my TDS meter, which I bought on Amazon. 2 cups. Amazon. So right now, I've got my double magnetrons facing in harmony with each other. So I've got 1 cup. I'll do the magnetic, turn on the flow, run the water until it's the slowest but the loudest. There it is. This is like wastewater. Yeah, I think it. Yeah. Then I put a kitchen cup behind to catch the racket. But it's the cup that's the most important, not the throw away. So on test, how much does the cup have in ppm, the parts per million of metal? My idea is that I want to push away the heavy metals and only have the monoatomics going in. So with the ppm meter, it's a thermometer and a metal detector. So what I do is I collect my diamagnetic material on the opposite side in the wide junction facing down. The truth is, it's not supposed to go that way. It's supposed to go another way. So we'll do it this way, and next time we'll do it facing away from the carpet to do it. He said to have the one going straight down and the magnets pulling it away. So I'm doing it in a stupid way where it's supposed to get afraid of the water and fling down into the cup. It's pretty bloody hard when there's no water coming through. I've got 2 minutes left, it's not a whole shit all the time. I've got some water in that one. Right, so just hold your horse as a second, and I'll yank it apart and switch it around, and we'll twist right back on again, and we'll get the water to come through the other way. I'll see what the ppm would be of that water. Okay, so wrap up my magnets back on, and in the opposite direction. And what we're doing is we're trying to try different directional polarities to find out which one is higher in the metal of the output. And we figure that out. We drink the one with the lowest ppm, and monatomic will be in it. This one the other one. Looking for the noise, the highest possible noise. It's the highest spin of airflow, going upstream. The minimal amount of liquid, so the magnets can travel to its spin. Very powerful, a wise man, lives in America. There's some funny name like this, Jimmy out or somewhere north of that place, whatever it is his name was. ppm on that one. There's formulas now. Right, so it's set for ppm, so stick it in. And we have a 58 ppm, 60 ppm. Well, that's a bloody high. For New Zealand, we're supposed to be in the 40s of ppm. There I have 64 ppm. Can you see that? Yeah, it's pretty bloody high. And now, I'll try the other ppm. So this is the one that's currently set at, and that's at 46. So there you go. Not talking shit. This one is low ppm, high ormus. That one is high ppm, 60 something ppm, meaning more metal content. Okay, so we'll keep it at the current and we'll have ormus better, healthier water, low in metals. See, with all the RF chips that we get put in our body in the hospitals, we have this plasmatic field thing, electromagnetic fields going in our body, and it comes out our head and it becomes like a satellite transmitter, like a free Wi-Fi thing coming out of me. But if that's not happening because of low metal, which helps you to be a big magnet trap, and it makes you bald because the ormus escapes. The ormus doesn't like magnetism, it's diamagnetic. And ormus is the stuff that keeps us living forever. So to have low metal water is better than high metal water, because we all know that in those smoke detectors they have those radioactive materials, and it's a type of GANs, which is a gas in nanostate, which is really just metals or matter that's clumped, and it's in a fine ground state. Okay, so it's nice to know, I'm sure. However, I've now detected it with my TDS meter, and I choose the one with the 40 ppm. Now, that tastes like fucking chalk. No wonder they put high metals in it. Now the test, I've got plain old tap water in New Zealand has for ppm. Tastes like fuck, man. I think I'd rather a bit of metal in there. And tap water is 42. There you go. Now, does it taste like chalk or does it taste like bleach? Oh, it tastes bloody good. Whatever they put in there, it's almost and the rest. All the minerals you can want. So what is the one with the high metal? Fuck, it tastes way better. Oh well. I'm confused. I should switch it around and have more metals in my blood. Maybe it's the metal thing makes me like a wizard. Or is it the low metals? Or is it the pure tap water that tastes so delicious? Fluoride makes me well and healthy. Decisions. Okay, so there's times when the rain comes and the ormus is sweet like milk. Ah, I heard that people are pissing and shitting in the water supplies. The other day, there was so much piss in the water, and you knew it wasn't from a man either. It was like an animal piss. Someone had collected all this dog piss, and they tipped it all in for a joke. They took like a massive bottle of, they must have collected it somehow in a kennel in a tray or something. And the taps tasted like fuck knows what. And I've had other times where they've had electromagnetic storms and stuff, and it's just caused ormus. Like there was a big moon pour, it caused the ormus to just come out. At the same time, I've been told not, today I was told by one of my friends on Facebook that the soda, the caustic whey, it's rubbish. Crap, man, because it's very hard to get that stuff out of the water. Wasting a lot of water trying to get that stuff rinsed out, only to keep the precipitates. There's an Aussie guy that makes ormus, and he uses high hydroxides for quite long, for a whole year. And it takes him a year to get the stuff out of there. And what he gets in the end is so amazing. I'd like to buy some of him. I bought some Omstate, and it was so damn good.